Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna tell you about how you can set alarm in your Vivo smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to open your clock. Here it is a plus icon, just tap on here and you will see here it is R that you can just select it from here. Then select minutes and here it is AM and PM. Here you can see repeat alarm sound. There are lots of sound you can see, and they are of course free. You can just get one and by no applying you have to just click on it and it will be applied. Then you have to enable this vibrate. You can just label it, I have to wake up early, I have to do it like this, and you can snooze for how many minutes you want. Then click on this tick icon to uh, activate this alarm, and here it is activated. Now you want to delete the alarm, you can just long press the alarm, click on delete like this, and it will be deleted. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.